How to create and use Windows batch files. Ever wished you could automate repetitive tasks on your computer? Look no further than Windows batch files. Today, we'll unlock their power in under 2 minutes. Let's get scripting. Batch files are plain text files containing commands that your computer executes one by one. They are a simple yet powerful way to automate tasks, saving you time and effort. Open any text editor like Notepad, write your commands, each on a new line, and here is a basic example. Double-click the .bat file you created. The commands in your script will execute one by one, performing the actions you defined. Batch files offer a wider range of possibilities. You can use them to automate tasks like copying files, launching programs, or even creating basic menus. Search online for tutorials and explore the vast library for batch file commands. Batch files are a great way to introduce yourself to scripting. They are easy to learn and can be a stepping stone to more advanced programming languages. With batch files, you can automate tasks and streamline your workflow on Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.